Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Microsoft Word tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to insert the corresponding to symbol in Word. This is actually quite simple. To do this, I first open Microsoft Word and find a good example of how to use the corresponding to symbol. Now I have two options for inserting it into Word. The first is under Insert, Symbol and More Symbols. Here I have to change the font to Cambria Math and the subset to mathematical operators. Now I'm already in the middle of the symbol selection. A good reference point for finding the corresponding to symbol is this row of eye-catching symbols. From here I go down 2 rows and find the corresponding to symbol. If I click on it, I can insert it here. The second option for the corresponding to symbol in Word is a key combination. Here I enter 2259 and press Alt-X. And as we can see, this also inserts the corresponding to symbol in Word. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.